there is cream of wheat, bran flakes, flat cereal, and toast.
I know. I wish we could go to the store and buy chicken.
I know, I agree.
With sauce. This is a boring house. Even Grandpa eats it.
I know. There's only boring food in this old wretched house.
We only did on the computer for about a week.
Wait a minute, kids. Great vocabulary, by the way, right, kid? Okay. You guys, it's not that boring, because I discovered a new restaurant.
What is it, Grandma Sandy?
Fat Biscuits. Tiki bar. Tiki bar. Tiki, 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 tiki bar. Hey! Fat Biscuits. Tiki bar. Tiki bar. Tiki, 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 tiki bar. Hey! My back. Oh, come on, Grandma Sandy. Let's go to the tiki bar.
Fat Biscuits Tiki Bar. Great prices, great drinks.